Welcome back to the greatest cooking show in the world. You don't know your boy Rush, and today we have the Jamaican chicken Alfredo Pasta. Boy, what a mouthful. So you want to stay tuned for that one. But before you do that, remember to like the video, remember to share and subscribe, because that will help the channel a great deal. So just click down there, so click the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, share with your friends so everybody can see it, and come back and tune in with the scene. Yeah man, so to make sure so everything go well and go smooth, you don't know me alone can't do it. So through this here with the vibing and everything, what go on?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode.
Yeah man.
Excited to be here once more with King Rushy,
Yo!
cooking boss.
You don't know.
Alright, so we're looking after some Jamaican
Chicken
Alfredo pasta.
Alfredo pasta.
Okay.
You don't know. And you see a whole bunch of ingredients there here today. You see me? And
I'm
folks,
excited. I see that you have some ingredients that I'm not really used to, so I'm assuming that you're going to put your little extra kick on it as usual.
always, because you don't know, we have to put our foot in everything, so to speak. You know? Jamaican style. One foot in it. Bam! You don't know. You see me? Alright.
And as usual, you make things very easy for us in the kitchen. So go ahead and introduce the ingredients first.
Alright. Cool. So we have right here, so now we have some cooked pasta. This pasta is cooked already. Alright, just for ease of things, so cook it already. So ideally when you want to cook your pasta, you don't know, you have to add it to boiling water. Ideally add it to boiling water, right? Just because you don't want it stick or anything, you can add some oil. Alright? So that's for the preparation of your pasta, which as well might I point out that you want to take this off the fire when you finish preparing and make sure it drains properly, because you don't want that extra heat that is on the pasta to finish cook it, right? You want it to be really tender. You don't want it to be soft and saggy, right? And might I point out as well that this is the Penni pasta, and this is a preferred pasta of mine whenever I'm making Alfredo pasta. You have a whole variety of pasta out there, but this is my choice and this is what I'm using today. All right. Our next main ingredient is our chicken, and this is solely chicken breast. You understand? So you want to use chicken breast because you don't want to use any part of the chicken and then you get a bone invasion when you eat and dive into your pasta. You understand? You just want to eat big chunky meat. You see me?
As well as it's easier to cook, right? The chicken breast takes a shorter time to cook.
Because and what we do is just cut them up in like square pieces. And for the preparation of this as well, what you want to do, you don't know Jamaican, so we have to wash the chicken with some lime or vinegar. You understand? And we cut up this, all right, and put it in a bowl, allow it to drain as well. I don't want excess water from the washing to be on the chicken. All right?
Awesome.
All right. So for the other ingredients, them as well, I can just run through quickly, right? So starting from the side right here, so we have some jerk seasoning, right? Some dry jerk seasoning to marinate the thing, all right? We have some allspice, pimento, berries. Nice to have the spice up any dish, all right? You have a salt. You understand? Me not have to tell you nothing more about salt again. As well as we have the thyme. Don't know, whoa. This is
so those are the thyme leaves alone, right?
Thyme leaves, yeah man. We don't really use the stick part because we just want to bite through everything, all right? This is Parmesan cheese, right? All right?
Yeah.
This is jerk season, and I made this at home. And watch out for the video. I'm showing you how to make your own jerk season in your kitchen.
That's a jerk marinade, right?
Yeah, man. This is a jerk marinade with all of your onion and scallion and thyme. And
do we have to let me secret no for?
It's not secret because the things won't come out, man. Okay. All right? The videos won't come out, so they're going to see it anyway. And this is our sweet corn. I don't know, I love sweet corn in most of my dish, right? I know you love sweet corn in your pasta. Isn't that so?
Yes, that is so. Thank you so
Alright,
much for
cool.
adding it on the channel.
Yeah, man. Because you know, when time I prepare it, we have to have that tonight. Alright? We have some black pepper here. Alright? Butter. So this is our butter. And this is what we're going to use a little later as well. Alright? Look what we have here. We have sweet pepper, aka bell pepper, aka sweet pepper, whatever. You understand? We have some garlic and chopped onions. These are the spices we are going to use later to saute and get a nice little flavor out of the pasta. You understand? This is whipping cream. Alright? Yeah, man, and this play a big part.
Major part in getting the creaminess of the pasta, right?
Yeah, man. And next ingredient that plays a major role is this Alfredo sauce. And you can get this in various brands and flavor. Alright? But we'll just go with the one today. You see me? Alright? So, this is pretty much it as we wrap up with all of the introduction of the ingredients and everything like that. So watch we while we marinate the chicken with all the herbs and spices. With 10 herbs and spices. A 10 or a 5. Think a KFC.
Are you a chef in the kitchen? So you must tell me how much secret spices you add to the marinade.
No secret, but everything there in front of the eyes. So we'll just go ahead and we'll add some of the jerk marinade.
And of course, this is to your liking, right? Because you may have persons that prefer a more spicy chicken inside of the Alfredo pasta.
Yeah. So that's why I always say, just season to taste. So I'm not gonna necessarily tell you how much to use and a teaspoon of that.
We don't using measurements over here.
Work with the ancestors. Alright. So just use some jerk seasoning. Alright. Work that in as well. And because we have the jerk seasoning, which which is kind of salty already.
So the extra salt may be optional.
Yeah. Just use a small amount.
Yeah, we love flavor over here.
Black pepper. So we just go in with small amount of black pepper. And you just want to work that in. Make sure that
it's well mixed.
It's well mixed. And this is it. Mix it in properly, and this is it. So ready for the cooking now, right?
Ready.
Nice and pretty. So this is how we kick off the cooking of the meat right now. Alright.
So unlike other cooking channels, we know them take them time and put in one at a time. Here at RUSHIE'S Kitchen, man just put everything in a pot.
One time. There's so much meat this another time for you to throw one by one.
Okay, so you just throw them in the pot and then just allow them to
and medium heat.
Flame.
You don't want to turn up the fire too much and then get them so
chicken will burn.
Yep. So what you want to do is just to flip as I go along.
So on average, how long would you say you allow it to cook on the stove top? Because I know you're gonna add it to the sauce afterwards.
This will cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes.
On each side.
On each side. As long as the oil is really hot. Or what you can do is just watch and make sure that it's golden brown. So you know it's cooked at that point.
So in other words, stay over the pot, guys. No matter move and say you're gonna do something else.
Just go on like a plantain and not fry. Alright, so now that they are golden brown, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take them out. Right? So they are pretty much cooked at this stage, just as how we would want them. Jesus, see that? Can you smell that? Or butter. Alright.
So now we're at the stage where we're gonna combine the sauce, right? Or
yeah, man.
The sauce, rather.
Well, not the sauce. Well, yeah, the sauce, but we're gonna add our sweet pepper, onions, and all those things. Alright? Alright, so we're going with everything combined. Yeah, and this is one of my favorite thing to add.
What's that, the sweet pepper?
Yeah, man, and the onions. I love how them smell. So guys, we just allow this to, you know, saute a bit, get out those flavors. Alright, we can add some allspice at this stage as well. So folks, one thing I did not remember to mention was the coconut milk. Yeah man, so we have a coconut milk and we just add some coconut milk to, you know, touch up the flavor a bit and give it a nice coconut taste. Yeah man, so as the coconut milk comes to a boil, what I am adding now is the heavy cream, whipping cream. And yeah man, this give a nice creamy flavor to your pasta. You understand? So you want to add this and just keep on stirring as you go along, because you don't want it to stick to the side and to the bottom of the pot, you know. So we just tap it up a bit, you know, if it catch up the flavor. You understand me? So just keep on stirring, keep on turning, and make sure so it doesn't stick to the sides. You don't want to burn pasta, you know. You don't want a burn flavor, so you just keep on stir it as you go along. Next, at this stage, as you can see, I'm adding a small bit of salt. I'm not adding too much because the chicken breasts are already, you know, as seasoning, so you don't want to get it too salty. So it's best if you don't just kind of hold up your hand on the salt a bit. Next, I am adding my Alfredo sauce. Yeah man, this is really a good addition as well to get your pasta really creamy and nice. You can get this to buy in practically every supermarket, right? And they come in different flavors, different sizes, different price range, so you will go along with what you can afford and also what is fit for your taste. I will just be adding a small bit more, you know, just kind of top it up a bit more. I just want to get that, like pasta we're cooking, so we want to get it extra creamy and nice. Black pepper is in the mix because we want to get a little bit more spice in it. So as the sauce, you know, go along, the most important thing to do is just to give it a stir. You don't want it to catch up in the pot and burn, as I said earlier. So this is the chicken breast now. I add all of the chicken breast to the sauce, and at this stage when you add the chicken breast, this will give another round of cooking to, or the final round of cooking to the chicken breast. So this will get them more tender, more flavorful as it mixes with all the other vegetables and spices. And guys, do remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Trust me, more interesting stuff come along, so you just want to click that subscription button, you want to like the video, you want to share it because you want other people see it as well. Next we have a sweet corn, and this is optional. Me add sweet corn to a lot of my meals because I love corn in general. So anything we can add it to, if you just catch up the flavor, that is what I'm going to do. So yeah man, we add our sweet corn, and this comes straight from the can itself, from the tin. And of course guys, for sure, we can't leave out the Parmesan cheese. Yeah man, this is shredded Parmesan cheese. And if you don't have Parmesan cheese, you can also go with mozzarella cheese, or you can go with both of them. It's just fine. You understand? And the Parmesan cheese, give it an extra layer of thickness, stretchiness, and trust me, the cheese flavor in your Alfredo pasta, trust me, nice. So our next addition of herb is our thyme leaves. Yeah man, this will give your pot a nice flavor, both smell and taste. Trust me, a good addition man. So last but not least is our penny pasta, and this is pre-cooked penny pasta. This was prepared earlier, and yeah man, this is the last addition to the pot. Ideally I just go in with just some. I don't want to use all of it, and then you have more pastas than sauce itself. So I gradually add the pasta. So if it's a case where I realize that I need more pasta, then I will go in and add. But you don't want to add too much and then you have more pastas than the sauce itself. You want a perfect blend, a perfect mixture of both of them. Yeah man folks, watch there. Nice creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Wow, well creamy, well nice. And me not leave already without telling you to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, share the videos, and leave a comment. You can tell me what you want to see next week on RUSHIE'S Kitchen. Tell me which meal, which juice, which punch, anything you want to see, or even a vlog or some question and answer session. You can tell me what you want to see. So signing out now is Rushie and Trudy. You don't know, we are leaving if we go and salivate on the video here right now. So there we're saying we're going, we're gone.